In the last video, we have seen how to find the sum of a list of numbers with a while loop. Now it's a good time to introduce an alternative loop called the for loop. So what we're going to do is to update this function to use a for loop rather than a while loop. So here it goes. Over here, I'm going to remove this declaration, and then I'm going to replace this while with for. And inside brackets, I can type int I equals 0, semicolon, and then I'm going to add a semicolon at the end of this condition, and then type I++ over here. And finally, I can remove this increment inside the body of the for loop. And this code is equivalent to the previous implementation that was using the while loop. So by using a for loop, we can move the initialization and the increment step in our loop inside the for statement itself. And as you can see, this results in code that is more concise. And if we run this code, we can see that the result doesn't change. Next, I'm going to show you a variant of the for loop that is even easier to use. So over here, I'm going to write for, and then within brackets, int value in values, and then within brackets, result plus equal value, like this. So by using the in keyword, we can iterate over all the values in our list, and we can access each value individually. And this means that all we have to do in the body is to add the value to the result variable. So with this change, I can remove the older loop, and if I run the code again, then the result doesn't change. Okay, so let's continue on the next video.